Hi guys, we're in the kitchen with my mom, Indy. Today she'll be showing you how to season curry chicken. Stay tuned.
So this is our cleaned chicken. You know, you have to clean the chicken, man. Rinse it off, clean it up, some vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, use lime, lemon, even salt can clean the thing. So make sure you clean your meat. And our ingredients today, some garlic, onion, 2 potatoes, 2 pieces of green onion, some thyme, and for my seasoning I have curry powder, onion powder, pimento, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, and garlic powder, and of course salt and pepper. So this is our ingredients. Curry chicken up next. So first I like to do black pepper. The way I season is I do 1 layer over everything. 1 layer of black pepper. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to make this one day, okay? You actually don't need green seasoning, but you know, it gives it extra flavor, so we added it. Now we're going to mix everything. Let the seasoning marinate for a little bit. I usually let my marinate overnight, but half an hour will be good too. So now I'm gonna add in the rest of our ingredients. So I'm going to add in, as you can see, I did half of an onion, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm only adding a bit of the bigger pieces, and then half, so a quarter, half of the finely chopped onion. So that's it. We're gonna save the other half of the finely chopped, and I'm gonna save the big pieces for later. Half of my green onions, half of my garlic, and some of my thyme. And again, mix. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna let this sit and marinate for another 10 or 15 minutes. Gonna go pour myself a drink, you know, and chill out for 10 minutes. And then let this marinate, and then I will show you how to cook it down. Stay tuned.